Welcome to our channel where today you'll learn how to log into your Wise business account quickly and easily without any hassle. Welcome to our channel where today you'll learn how to log into your Wise business account quickly and easily without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Wise website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the Login button. Click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address tied to your Wise business account. Double-check to make sure you type it correctly, then click Next. The next step involves entering your password. Make sure this is your current business account password to gain access safely. After entering your password, click the Login button to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll receive a verification code on your mobile device or email. Enter the code in the designated field and submit. This added step secures your account from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Wise business dashboard where you can manage your transactions, view statements, and adjust account settings. If at any point you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it via your email. For first-time users, after clicking Login, if you haven't set up your password yet, you'll be guided through the account activation process, including verifying your identity and setting a strong password. Remember to always keep your login credentials confidential and avoid accessing your account from public or shared computers to maintain your business security. Enjoy managing your Wise business finances with ease by following these straightforward login steps every time you need access. Don't forget to bookmark the Wise website for quick future access. Thank you for watching and learning with us.